This is something you absolutely can't afford to ignore. The way factories, hospitals, and train stations manage security is being quietly transformed by a powerful device. Introducing the one tool that physical security professionals are raving about, the ACTi Encoder. Packed with high-end features and saving you up to 50% in cost, let's uncover the real game-changer. First, let's talk about resolution. The ACTi Encoder supports up to 960 by 480. Enjoy sharp, real-time video no matter the location. Even after compression, details are preserved, empowering guards to stay fully aware of their surroundings. This isn't just an image upgrade, it's an efficiency revolution. Next, let's move to the second exciting function, PTZ control via serial port. Adjust the camera angle remotely with ease. Just configure the serial port settings and activate PTZ control to instantly improve responsiveness and tracking accuracy. Third, ACTi offers both single and multi-channel encoders to fit any deployment scale. Install multi-camera setups for factories or go with a single camera solution for train stations, the encoder adapts. Fourth, the wide temperature tolerance from -40 degrees Celsius to 76 degrees Celsius ensures reliability in extreme conditions. With temperature thresholds set in the system, you can rest easy knowing your device won't fail under extreme weather. Fifth, complete cybersecurity with HTTPS support. SSL certificate configuration ensures encrypted transmissions. This is critical for private video streams in hospitals and industrial environments. Safeguarding your visuals means securing your operations. Sixth, digital inputs and outputs allow seamless integration across different systems, turning the encoder into a real-time automation hub. Seventh, powerful two-way audio support for real-time communication, bridging gaps in various environments. Finally, the eighth feature, full UNVIF compliance ensures easy expansion and compatibility with security setups. By now, you may be wondering, with all these features, is it expensive? Surprisingly not. You can save up to 50%. Now's the time to act. Contact us to see how the ACTi Encoder can double your security performance while slashing your budget in half. Subscribe now and turn on notifications. In our next video, we'll reveal even more revolutionary technologies for physical security.